For a very long time now, having an American stand fridge freezer has always been my dream. I used to see it in movies. I love it. I love the way it looks, the way it makes your house looks, makes the house feels. It speaks luxury, and yeah, I'm always someone like luxury on a budget, right? So I went all out. I just recently have a kitchen upgrade, and I just told myself that I was not going to get the normal fridge freezer, that I was going for an American fridge freezer. Well, that was like, we saw other ones, like we saw other types, like lesser, kind of cheaper. But yes, I have a vision I'm pursuing. It must have a screen. So, and I have just two options. I have the Samsung and I have the Hisense. Then I realized that the Samsung, and I tried to compare the sizes and all. So I went on for the Samsung, and here it is that it has just been delivered to my house, and we're just contemplating on where to put it because we don't know. And just look at me now, admiring the work of my hand. So beautiful. I bless God for this opportunity, for his many blessings. So this is just me opening it, and let me leave you to watch the video. Hi guys, good morning. How you all doing? Happy new month. So I just have a new baby. Don't mind me. I just want to do a quick unboxing for you guys this morning, and I was just trying to do my prayers. Guys, there's nothing as beautiful as having your prayer done before the kids are awake. So I was just trying to figure out my personal life so I can, it's actually helped me to go through my day. It helps me to have a good and fulfilled day, and it's something I've realized in my life, and I've always been doing that. So I'm done with my prayer now. Then back to the fridge. It's just a quick one, so let's go. People in my house, my family members, they've been pressuring me to unwrap this thing. So for peace to reign, let's just unwrap it this morning. I don't know what. please don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe. Thank you. Bye guys. I love you.